Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I will explain you some basics about GitHub Spark. Well, if you ever wanted to make your own app but didn't know how to code, now you can with something called GitHub Spark. Basically, it's a new tool that let you build apps just by describing what you want in a plain English. You don't need to write a single line of code or worrying about setting up servers. Spark take care of everything for you, building, hosting, and even adding smart features using AI. Think of it like talking to a really smart friend. You just tell it, I want to make an app to track my plants or make a simple to-do list and it creates the whole things for you. In a minutes, it builds both the front end and the back end part. So the entire app is ready to code just like that. So what kind of app you can make with a Spark? Pretty much anything is small and useful. You can create personal tools like travel planners, a Carico night managers, or a simple allowance tracker for your kids. If you're testing a new business idea, you can also build a prototype or a MCP super quickly. No need to hire a developer. It's a great for making custom tools inside a company like a dashboards or a admin panels. You can have fun with it. Build little games, creative tools, or just explore your ideas. Spark is also amazing for learnings. Kids or beginners can use it to play around and understand how the app works. Once you are built something, you can share it with others. They can also use your apps, remix it, and build on the top of it, kind of like a digital Lego blocks. Now, let's talk about who can use the GitHub Spark. Right now, it's in public preview, which means it's available to the people who have Copilot Plus subscriptions. If you don't have, don't worry, you can still join the waitlist at the github.com/spark and get the early access when it becomes more widely available. And here's the cool part. You don't need to know anything about coding to use Spark. It's made for everyone, whether you are a developer, a designer, or a product manager, or just someone with an idea. If you are a developer, you can still open the code and make changes whenever you like. Now, let's quickly go over the pricing. During this preview, Spark is free to use, but there are some limits, like how many times your app can be used or how much data it can handle. If you hit those limits, the app might be paused until the next billing periods. Also, every time you give a Spark a prompt, it uses what they call premium request from your GitHub Copilot plan. One prompt costs you about 16 cents. If you go over the limits, there are some rumors about $39 monthly plan that include hosting, but has not officially confirmed yet. So, if you got an app idea, even a small one, GitHub Spark might be just what you need. It's quickly, easy, and fun to use. Whenever you are building a set or side project, testing a new idea, or just playing around, Spark makes it so simple to bring your ideas to life without touching any code. Check it out at github.com/spark and see what you can create. So yeah, that's all for this video and I hope you like this video and gather some information from this. If you like this video, you can consider to like, subscribe and follow some more updates like this.